Now we are discussing about the Chota Nagpur Plateau, which is extended in 4 states. Majorly 75% of the Chota Nagpur Plateau is in Jharkhand, remaining in Chhattisgarh, Odisha and West Bengal. This is in India. Chota Nagpur is in India's second highest plateau after the Ladakh Plateau. This Chota Nagpur Plateau is called as a eastern plateau of India. Why? Because of which maximum area is extended eastern side. That's why which is called as a eastern plateau of India. అంటే భారతదేశ దక్షిణ మన ద్వీపకల్ప పీఠభూమిలో తూర్పు దిశలో ఉండడం వలన దీన్ని తూర్పు పీఠభూమిగా పిలుస్తారు. ఇక్కడ మాల్వా పీఠభూమి పశ్చిమ వైపు ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని వెస్టర్న్ ప్లాట్యూ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా అనే పేరుతో పిలుస్తారు. రైట్, ఇక చూడండి ఇక్కడ దిస్ ఇస్ ఏ దామోదర్ రివర్ విచ్ టేకన్ ది బర్త్ ఎట్ ది Palamau is a one of the plateau at Palamau which taken the birth at the Palamau which passes towards the West Bengal, which is next entered into the West Bengal, which is which entered into the Hooghly river. Hooghly means in West Bengal that Ganga is called as a Hooghly. So this which is entered into the Hooghly river from near to the Calcutta. Chota Nagpur, which is received the highest rainfall, is a more than 250 centimeter as average rainfall is recorded on the above the Chota Nagpur in 4 states. Highest rainfall, this Damodar river brought the heavy flood disasters towards the Hooghly river. So which has this Damodar river which has 2 tributaries. One is the Barker, second is the Konar river. So these are the 3 rivers they brought the heavy rainfall towards the West Bengal. By this floods, maximum flood disasters are occurred in West Bengal. So here one of the deepest valley is there. This is the Damodar valley which formed by the Damodar river floods. This valley, under this valley number of tribal peoples are there. That peoples, they are the maximum poor peoples are there. So that peoples every year in rainy season they are facing the floods. Due to flood disaster, that people's losses, assets losses and also life losses. That's why Damodar river is called as a sorrow of the Bengal. అంటే దామోదర్ నదిని బెంగాల్కు దుఃఖదాయిని అనే పేరుతో పిలుస్తారు. కారణం ఏంటంటే ఈ దామోదర్ నది అత్యధిక వరదల్ని మోసుకు వస్తూ ఇక్కడ దామోదర్ లోయను ఏర్పాటు చేయడం వల్ల ఇక్కడ ఉన్న పేద ప్రజలు, గిరిజనులు ఎక్కువగా ప్రాణ ఆస్తి నష్టాన్ని కోల్పోతున్నారు. కాబట్టి దీన్ని దామోదర్ నదిని బెంగాల్ దుఃఖదాయిని, ది సారో ఆఫ్ ది బెంగాల్ అనే పేరుతో పిలుస్తారు. So which is entered into the Hooghly river from near the Calcutta. By Damodar river, this plateau is divided into Hazaribagh plateau and also Ranchi plateau. Both are separated by Damodar river. There are the 2 tributaries, Barker, Konar. These are also brought the heavy flood water towards the West Bengal. This is in India biggest, which is the biggest mineral plateau means Damodar. Chota Nagpur is a biggest mineral plateau of India. So maximum minerals except crude oil, including all type of the minerals are available under this Chota Nagpur plateau, due to which is called as a biggest mineral plateau of India, and also which is called as a part of the mineral, and also heart of the mineral, and also which is called as a Ruhr of the India. Ruhr of India. Ruhr is one of the biggest plateau. Under that plateau, maximum all type of the minerals are available, which is in European continent. That's why in world, Ruhr plateau is the number 1 in mineral. In India, Chota Nagpur is the biggest mineral plateau. That's why which is comparing with the Ruhr of India. Every year, which brought the heavy flood water, by that flood water on the above the Chota Nagpur, number of people are dead. Due to control that, to save that peoples on this Chota Nagpur plateau, there are the 5 projects are constructed. One is at the one is very near to the Damodar Valley in West Bengal. So this is one of the project. Here also one of the project. Here also one of the project. Third, on Barker River 4, one more 5. Right. These are the 5 projects are constructed on Chota Nagpur. By these 5 projects, Chota Nagpur floods controlled by this 5 projects. One is the Damodar project. This is the biggest project on the above the Chota Nagpur. So that name of the project, Damodar project. So by when that construction, this Damodar Valley is controlled from the floods. When that completed that project, that people's life assets also is saved. Second one is the Panchad project, which is also on Damodar River in Jharkhand. One more, this is a Konar project, which is on Konar River. Fourth one is the Maitan project, which is on Barka River. Fifth one is a Tilaya project. So when after these are 1948 to 1956 in between, these are 5 projects are constructed on Damodar and their tributaries. After complete of this project, this Chota Nagpur is complete controlled from the floods. So these are peoples are on the above that peoples, there are that major peoples are saved from the projects. So due to this, in India, one of the biggest mineral plateau of India. Okay, right.